I'm sorry I didn't have a proper happy music that would accompany this footage from my webcam. You can see here that I'm opening a package from Thomann that was delivered to me. And there was one really special thing inside of it. I ordered some strings, some electric guitar strings, some electric bass strings, some cleaning materials. But the main thing that I ordered is a new guitar. And that new guitar is pretty special to me because I never owned a Fender Strat before, and I always wanted a Fender Strat before. This particular guitar is a Mexican-made Fender Strat. It's a deluxe model with the humbucker on the bridge position and two noiseless single coils. It's in Blizzard Pearl finish, and the pickguard is some kind of a mint green color. And it's a maple neck with 22 frets, along with Fender's vintage locking tuners. I'm really happy with the way this guitar feels in my hands. I think it's gonna be really amazing.